I'm gonna come out here and try to start my cars that are dead. I'm really gonna see if they're dead, but I know they're probably dead. This thing's dead, boy. I mean, not a light, nothing. Just checking everything out first. See if I got anything out. I guess before I go get the Jeep, I'll just try the Ram Charger. I know it's probably dead too. Own a car lot, they said. I'll just leave it up. I'm just gonna go get the Jeep and jump these fuckers.
A few minutes later.
Well, today is January 18th, 2024, and I have historic, hold on, it's upside down, historic tags for my 350Z. Is there anybody else that's got a historic tagged 350Z yet in the United States or any country at all? Am I the first historic 350Z ever? January 18th, 2024. Y'all let me know. Not only is it tagged historic, but it's tagged. Since the first time I owned it, I never tagged it because it wouldn't have passed emissions and inspection and all that. But cars 20 years or older in the state of Maryland don't need any of that to get tagged historic. So I've been waiting God knows how many years just to tag this car and legally drive it on the road. One of the only times we've driven it on the road, it was pulled over, and they told us if it got pulled over again illegally like that, they were impounding it. Cop was really cool and let us go. But now it's legal, and I can finally drive the 350Z. Finally, bro. Finally. And here it is, guys. The first ever historic Nissan 350Z. As far as I know, it's the first ever historic Nissan 350Z. You guys let me know though. Daily driving my 350Z. I basically have been wanting to do this since before 2018. It's 2024 now. Do the math. Should I turn traction control off and let her eat for a second? Let's see. We're gonna turn it back on. She did not want to catch grip at all. She's a low unit too. I love it. See if we scrape. Oh, no, no scrapage there. Let's see, going up onto the bridge here. Oh, slight scrapage, slight, barely though, barely. I mean, this thing's still doing better than the Mustang when it was on lowering springs, man. That's crazy. That drive we took in the 350Z, guys, by the way, is the first ever legal 350Z drive from us Elk Millbillies since 2018. Think about that. That's loyalty and dedication. I waited that long just to drive that car. I owned it, did all this work to it, sold it, bought it back, all that. Just for what we just did.